Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lokiato. So in today's video you're going to learn how to add your Payoneer payment details into your Clickbank account. Actually, I've been receiving requests from my subscribers telling me to make a video that shows them how to easily add their Payoneer payment details into their Clickbank account so that they can receive payments once they are able to earn some commissions from Clickbank. So that is exactly what you're going to learn in this video. So stick with me to the end of this video, because at the end of this video you're going to see how easy it is to add your Payoneer account into your Clickbank account to receive all your Clickbank payments. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Check the description below for links that will help you in your online businesses, and do not forget to drop any question you have in the comment section. So let's go guys. Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. This is Lokiato and I'm so excited to be here with you guys today. So in today's video I want to teach you guys how to add your Payoneer account details into your Clickbank account so that you'll be able to withdraw your money, your earnings in your Clickbank account after you might have made some earnings, or you've reached the threshold of Clickbank being eligible to be paid by Clickbank. All right, so that is the essence of this video. So stick along so that you watch it to the end and see how I was able to add a Payoneer account into my Clickbank account. So actually why I'm making this video is because I got a subscriber that dropped a comment in the comment section saying I should make a video on how to add this Payoneer account in their Clickbank account. Actually, this is not the first time I'm getting this request. This is not the second time I'm getting this request. So that's why I decided to make this video for you guys. So if you're part of those that are having issues of how to add your Payoneer account into your Clickbank account, this video is definitely for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end. All right, so guys, as you can see, I'm on the Payoneer homepage. If you don't have a Payoneer account, all you just need to do is to come over to Payoneer and sign up for Payoneer. But if you don't know what Payoneer is all about, Payoneer is actually a fintech bank. I'll call them a fintech company that provides payment solutions to online entrepreneurs. Actually, Payoneer, I'll call them the online entrepreneur messiahs, okay, because they came into the game of providing solution to online entrepreneur at the time that we needed them the most. Since everything started since 2005, when PayPal decided to block some people from some part of the world, majorly most countries from Africa or West African countries and all that, you understand. So it was very difficult for online entrepreneurs to receive payments from clients and also send payments to clients. So that was when Payoneer came on board. We are talking about early 2005, 2006, 2007. All right, so they've been there till date. All right, so all you just need to do is go head over to Payoneer, click on sign up and sign up for an account. Actually, the process is very easy. All you need is your government ID, your phone number, your email, your address, and let everything be legit, let everything correspond, and you're going to open a Payoneer account. Actually, I'm not going to be logging into my own personal Payoneer account because I received the payment from one of these platforms, and it's triggered my my address. So they asked me to upload a proof of address and all that. So I'm still in the process of getting my account verified for my proof of address. So I won't be logging into my own account now, but it's actually very easy. So after you've signed up to your your Payoneer account, I'll be using someone else's account because I just tell one of my students to send me a screenshot of their Payoneer account. All right, so once you've signed up for a Payoneer account and you go through the whole process, you go through all the approval process, you'll be eligible to have access to a euro account, a pound account, a dollar account, that is a USA account, and also a Singapore account. That is if your account is eligible to have those accounts. All right, but basically you have a pound account, a euro account, and a US account, just like the way you're seeing it on the screen right now. Okay, so once you have these accounts, once you are approved and you have these accounts, all you need to do is to click on view, view account details. And if your Clickbank account was made from a European country, then you definitely know that you are using a European account. All right, and if your account was made from the UK, then definitely you're using a pound account. Same applies to, same applies to other country accounts. All right, so now once you've got your payment details, all right, you have your payment details ready, just like you see it on the screen right now. I also copied it down here. On the notebook, so we can just easily copy and paste. Oh, where is it? Okay, I copied it down here so we can easily copy it and then paste. Okay. I'll just search for the notebook. All right, so this is the notebook. Okay, so this is the notebook where I have all the information written down. So as you can see, I have to blur some information here because is someone's private information. So that is why I had to blur it. Okay, so now once this is done, we have our Pioneer account details ready. All we need to do is to head on to our Clickbank account and add it to it. Okay, and to do that, you need to log in into your Clickbank account on your private IP setup, guys. Make sure you don't do the mistake of just rushing in and forgetting that you have to be on your IP setup to be able to log in into your Clickbank account, most especially if you're from all these limited, restricted countries rather. Okay, so if you don't have a Clickbank account, check the link in the description below. I have a video there that shows you the process of creating a Clickbank account, and below that same video you're going to see a link that takes you to my secret IP setup for African entrepreneurs. Okay, you need that IP setup to be able to create a Clickbank account and also be able to operate a Clickbank account successfully. Okay, so now I'll just head over to my IP setup. So as you can see, I'm on my IP setup right now, and the first thing I do always is to visit this website called pixelscan.net. I'll reload it. Okay, so what this website does is to tell you if your IP is clean and if it's good to go. All right, so as you can see, it says your browser fingerprints are consistent. Okay, everything here is green. So but if here shows you inconsistent, do not go ahead logging into your Clickbank account. It shows your IP is not good. For you, just follow my training in my secret IP setup to reset it and make sure you get it right. So the next thing I'll just do is to head over and log in into my Clickbank account. All right, so as you can see, I'm in my Clickbank account, so I'll be blurring some parts of this account because my private details are there. Okay, so the next thing you need to do once you log in into your Clickbank account, you need to head over to accounts over here. You click on accounts, then you click on nickname. All right, as you can see, I have two nicknames here, but they are blurred, so I'll click on my account nickname. So it's going to take us to the main dashboard of our Clickbank account. So now once that is done, you just have to head over to account settings here. You click on it. Okay, so now as you're in your account settings, I'll be blurring most parts of this page because of my private information. So all you need to do is, once you log in, you're going to see master account, meaning this is your email, your username or email. Okay, so you have account information where you have your payee name, your address. All right, then you have your contact information and everything. Then you're going to see payment information. So at this payment information here, all you need to do is to click on edit. So once you click on edit, what you're going to see first is this payment threshold. Okay, so now this payment threshold means the amount, a certain amount that you need to have before you can request for withdrawal. So you can decide to leave it at 100, or you can raise it to 5k. You can raise it, okay, you can raise it to 500k, or you can raise it to $1 million, guys. Oh my god, so you have to be patient till you reach $1 million before you can request for withdrawal. If you set it at $1 million, you can set it at $10, $25, $50, 100, whichever you want to set it on. But I'm going to set mine to $1k because I want to be withdrawing something reasonable. You can also go 5k, so you keep working up your ass till you get to 5k and you request for withdrawal. So on the payment method, we are going to be using direct deposit. We are not using check, because if you set it at check, they are going to send check to your address, which you don't want, because you know that the address you use is actually not your real address. Okay, so it's very, very important that you set it at direct deposit. All right, so now the frequency, payment frequency, we are going to choose weekly. All right, so let it be every week that they'll be paying us. So if we are able to meet 5k every week, they are going to pay us every week of the next month. So now here is the direct deposit information. Now bank country. So now bank country, if you opened your Clickbank account from Austria, which I teach the most, your bank country should be Austria. Then you're going to use the European account in your Payoneer account. Okay, you'll see the details there. You just input the details, but the account I'm using for this video training will be United States. All right, so now bank city is New York. You can see it over here. You can see from the address here, the city is what? New York. You can see it, New York. So I'll just put in New York. All right, so the bank name, this is the bank name, Community Federal Savings Bank. So I'll just copy it. And I'll just paste it here. All right, so the next thing is your routing number. All these are in your Payoneer account. Once you click on receiving accounts and you click on view account details, you're going to see them there, just like the previous image that pop up on the two previous images. The first is your accounts, the list of accounts that you have available. Then the second one is the details of each account, which was the USA account that we selected. Okay, so now I'll just click on routing number. I'll copy the routing number and paste. I'll paste the account. Okay, the routing number is below the account number, so we've pasted the routing number, which is 9 digits, while the account number is 12 digits. So this is the account number here. This is the account number here. Copy it, and we come over here and we are going to paste it. All right, so the last thing that you need to do is account type, which is checking account, not savings account. You can see it over here. Account type is checkings account. So once you have imputed everything like this, it is actually very simple to do. You click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, all this information will be saved, and anytime you reach this 5k threshold, which we set over here. Okay, no, 1k threshold, which we set over here. You are going to be paid by Clickbank directly into your Payoneer account. It's as simple as that, guys. If you also set it at $1 million, yeah, people are making $1 million, guys, in a year. People are making $1 million. So it's something not out of this world. All right. If you believe it, you can achieve it. So if you set it at $1 million for the whole year, and at the end of the day and end of the year, you reach that $1 million threshold, you are going to be paid into your Pioneer account. So once you've done that, you click on save changes. I'm not going to be clicking on these save changes because I have my own account that I've said there. I have to just delete it, so I'll use this particular one and make a video sample, a video example for you guys. So guys, that will be it for the end of this video. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is to exit your account and log out, guys. Some tips that I'll give you is, do not always be logging into your Clickbank account, and also make sure that you really need to check something before you log into your Clickbank account. Then the thirdly is, make sure that your IP setup is accurate and it's good before you log into your Clickbank account, because if every small thing you're logging into your Clickbank account and logging out, it will be sending the wrong signal to Clickbank team. It might get your Clickbank account flag, and and you might make mistake, okay, of not properly checking your IP before logging into your Clickbank account, and you get your account messed up. All right, I hope you guys understand everything that I said, guys. So guys, if you love this video, if you like what I'm doing, please guys, support this channel, share my videos, like my videos, share my videos with your family and friends and loved ones, so they will also learn what will help them make side income, all right, to support themselves and their families. Okay, so share my, if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below. I'll love to see them, guys. I'll love this to see them. Check the description below and join my Telegram channel. You can ask me questions on Telegram. My username is below the description there, and I'll see you guys over there in Telegram. Okay, so thank you guys. Lucky Ato here, and I'm out, guys. Bye.